let's look at Oh Susanna on page 40 of your books. So here we are still practicing the phrases. Remember that a phrase is a musical idea or sentence. It's marked with a very long slur line that goes over a group of notes, and that group of notes forms one complete musical idea or musical sentence. So we're noticing the phrases in this song, but we're also going to learn something new called pickup notes or upbeats. So if you'll notice, our time signature at the beginning of our piece is 4/4, which means we should have 4 beats in every measure. So if I start here on this measure, I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But if I look right here at the very beginning, notice that I've got this little group of 2/8 notes all by themselves. And I know that 2/8 notes together only equal 1 beat. And this is what we call pickup notes or upbeats. So pickup notes are any time that we have notes that come before the first full measure of the song. So this would actually be measure 1 right here because it's the only first, well, it's the first complete measure that has all 4 beats. Right here, we don't have 4 beats. And actually, if you were to look at the very end of the song, you would notice, if you look at the very last measure, you'll notice that that measure is missing a beat. So here we only have 3 beats. And so typically, the way I like to describe this is I say that the pickup notes belong to that last measure. But instead of staying where they belonged, way back here, they ran away and cut in front of the line. So they're up here in the beginning of the song, and we make up for it by subtracting them from the last measure of the song. Now this is a song that's very familiar to you, so it won't be difficult for you to learn, but I do want you to pay attention to those pickup notes and to the phrasing of the song. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hand set up. I'm going to put finger 3. The music tells me to put finger 3 of my left hand on G and finger 2 of my right hand on D. So that means that this thumb will be on C, this thumb will be on B, thumbs are right next to each other, fingers are lined up as so. And my song goes like this. 1, ready, play. Oh, I come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. That's the first phrase, lift. I'm going to Louisiana, my true love for to see. Second phrase, lift. It rained all night, the day I left. The weather, it was dry. Lift. The sun so hot, I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Square 17, it's finally different. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. And lift. For I've come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. 2, 3, lift. And do notice that almost every phrase in this song is either similar or exactly alike. So this phrase, very similar to this phrase. Also very similar to this phrase, and the last phrase. So really the only one that's different is when we get to this refrain here, or square 17, this phrase where we have the half notes is going to be a little bit different. So even though the song is long, it's very repetitive and very easy to learn. Let's play through it one more time. I'm going to go ahead and get my hand set up here. 1, 2, play. Oh, I come